The Utthana Ekadashi, the second Ekadashi which occurs in the month of Kartik, is very, very special because Lord has been sleeping. He is in Yoga Nidra for 4 months of Chaturmas. And this day, Utthana Ekadashi, the last Ekadashi of Kartik month, the Devatas, they go and wake up the Lord. And as soon as the Lord is awake, the Devatas have a list of complaints. They are like, this demon Shankha, he's been troubling us, and we've been hiding in the caves. We don't know what to do. And the Yagna mantras and the Vedas and the grains which are to be used in the fire, they have all hidden themselves inside water because they are all afraid of Shankha. Shankha may attack and try to take them away. And now Shankha has entered inside the water, and he's going to try and take the Vedas away. So then Krishna tells the Devatas, don't worry, I will protect the Vedas. So then Krishna takes the Matsya incarnation, and then he enters inside the water. And then he fights with Shankha and kills him. And then he comes out at Badrika Ashram, and there he instructs all the rishis that you all go inside the water and go and get your Vedas. I have already killed Shankha, and I will meet you all at Prayag. Join me there. So now, then all these rishis, they get inside the water. And then they start protecting, one rishi is taking this mantra, this Vedas, that Veda. So like that, everybody becomes, the owners of whatever mantra they have protected. So like that, it gets divided among all the rishis. And then they all meet Lord at Prayaga. That is why in the month of Kartik, water has a special significance because Krishna goes inside the water and he takes this Matsya incarnation. So that is why, in the month of Kartik, it is usually prescribed that one should take bath at least 3 times a day because the water is sanctified water, very, very special. Just about any water that you take, that in the month of Kartik, Krishna is in the water. Of course, Krishna is everywhere. But yeah, this is a special feeling because of this Leela that happened in the month of Kartik.
Sab Krishna, Krishna, Krishna lage. Sab Krishna, Krishna, Krishna lage. Sab Krishna.